Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Terra Luna 2.0 for update for 16 July. And so far we've had some red candles right now, and it seems like there is a good chance for Luna to basically go all the way down and retrace to the downside as well. So when I talk about this, so in the past few days on a daily time frame, all you did is went down, right? Previously you were moving very nicely to the upside, but it seems like you've already lost this trend line and you're really moving down, and you pretty much met the technical target, but there's a chance of moving further more to the downside as well. And I don't know if it's trying to create a reversal pattern. So reversal pattern is going to be from the bottom here to the top, and you could be looking for this coin to actually go down to $1.1498, because right now you're getting rejected at the 0.786. You've lost the golden ratio, so yeah, you can put a tick here, and as long as you're not going to cross 1.9959, then that's it. You're coming down to the 1.618. Pretty much self-explanatory stuff right there. Now that's the fib trading. There is a pattern here. There's a bots form, and I think that's some sort of a bearish, like a bear flag, almost a bear flag that is about to come in. So you're gonna take this one and you're looking for next technical target all the way down to where? To $1.3837. Now if you do actually come up here and break this level, come up to 1.99 something, actually breaking the $2 is good to continue higher. If you're not going to break the $2, then there's a good chance for the reversal wave to continue to the $1.14, and that's going to be the technical target that I'm looking forward to. It could be a nice entry, who knows, but this is going to be down here. So that's pretty much the reversal wave to the downside, and it is in play unless you don't go above $2. And if you cross $2, then you're going to be moving higher and higher and higher. And you can see that this is also a big level of resistance moving forward. So you've already lost another support as well. So you can already see that this was your last support here, support there. You broke it to the downside, went for the retest, got rejected, and that's it, right? That's it. That's pretty much it. That's just how it is. And that's it for this quick update on Luna. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.